Sydney Harbour. Riding the ferry at night, we're followed by birds, seagulls. Not followed, but more like accompanied. Why? Why do they bother? What are they after? Food? People sometimes do throw food scraps into the water. But if that's true, the birds would be following behind, because that's where the food would land. What about other food? Fish, maybe? Could the ferry cause fish to come to the surface? In that case, the birds would still be flying behind. So, it's not food that they're after. Are they flying alongside because they're curious about us? Getting a good look at us? No, they can do that anytime, and with much less effort. On the beach, for instance. Notice how they fly, the pattern. They fly, vigorously flapping their wings, then glide. They fly alongside up to a certain point, and then glide. They fly up to this point just so they can glide. If they are gliding on something. An updraft? No. A wave. They are gliding on a wave. A wave in the air, produced by the ferry. An air wave, just like the bow wave in the water. The birds are gliding. Why? Are they hitching a ride, saving energy? No. If they wanted to save energy, they would fly normally, slowly. They would not be trying to keep up with the ferry. No. They fly alongside the ferry up to that aerodynamic sweet spot where they can switch off and glide. Why? Because they like it. It's fun. The birds are surfing. On the other hand, they may be just going to the opera.